There's a universal standard of beauty, and it's based on evolutionary biology. The doctor is in, let's begin. Alright, we're gonna take a look at something we all think about, but rarely break down. Beauty. Beauty might seem subjective, but science actually points to some clear biological markers behind what we find attractive. In today's session, let's explore 4 biomarkers of beauty rooted in evolution. These are facial symmetry, hormonal influences, youthful appearance, and carotenoid pigmentation. By understanding these, we can see how beauty is deeply tied to health, survival, and even our diets. First up, we have developmental stability, or simply facial symmetry. Now, this one's huge because humans have evolved to find symmetrical faces more attractive. Symmetry in facial features signals good health, as symmetrical faces suggest that someone has successfully navigated developmental changes without major genetic or environmental disruptions. Studies show that people consistently rate symmetrical faces as more attractive across different cultures, traits that evolution has primed us to seek out in potential mates. And something I think that further supports this beauty concept of symmetry and proportions is the golden ratio, otherwise known as divine proportions, which just sounds really cool in my opinion. This is a ratio of about 1.6 that can be found in many naturally pleasing structures, from spiral galaxies to flowers, and of course, facial symmetry. Moving on, we have hormonal influences. Let's talk about how estrogen and testosterone shape features in ways that we find attractive. In women, high levels of estrogen are linked to traits like fuller lips, higher cheekbones, and larger eyes, all associated with youth and fertility. Estrogen promotes these features, giving a feminine appearance that often signals reproductive health. In men, testosterone leads to a pronounced jawline, a heavier brow, and more prominent cheekbones. These features suggest physical strength and a strong immunity, making men with these traits more attractive from an evolutionary standpoint. Hormones create these differences between male and female faces, which plays a huge role in attraction, as another way to present both health and fertility. And just to clarify, both men and women have estrogen and testosterone. It's the ratio that differs between the sexes. Biology. Always knows how to keep things balanced, am I right? Our third marker of beauty is youthfulness. Humans have a natural preference for youthful-looking faces, and for good reason, I might add. Evolution associates youth with reproductive potential, which is why younger-looking features like large eyes and smooth skin are universally attractive. The concept of neoteny, or retaining youthful features in adulthood, also reflects vitality and health. Geez, I'm sensing a trend here. Anyway, research shows that youthfulness is directly linked to attractiveness because it indicates that someone is in their reproductive prime. So, things like smooth skin and fewer wrinkles not only look good, but are also indicators of prime life. Unfortunately, as we age, skin loses elasticity, wrinkles form, and overall resilience declines, thus signaling a reduction in reproductive potential. It makes sense then why humans evolved a preference for youthfulness. It's about finding a mate with the greatest chances of successful reproduction. You're basically playing the odds to prolong your species. Finally, let's talk about carotenoid pigmentation, the slight yellowish tint to skin that comes from eating foods rich in, you guessed it, carotenoids. These can be found in carrots and sweet potatoes. Unlike some other beauty markers, carotenoids are acquired solely through diet and give the skin a natural, healthy glow that signals vitality. These pigments also reflect good gut health, since the body needs a well-functioning digestive system to absorb them effectively. Studies show that individuals with a higher intake of carotenoid-rich foods are often rated as more attractive due to this vibrant, slightly golden skin tone. Honestly, it's like a consumable radiance boost. As we've covered, beauty has amazing roots in evolutionary biology, giving us a universal standard that's achievable with the right lifestyle choices. These biomarkers show that beauty isn't just skin deep. They signal health, reproductive fitness, and even diet. In my opinion, life has evolved to find health attractive. And with that, tell me, Do you think there's a universal standard of beauty? How could these biomarkers apply to other creatures, like slimes perhaps? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, if you found this video interesting, like and subscribe, follow me on X. The doctor is out!